I got. Ain't no damn time.
My vengeance ends now.
Holy shit. Alright, folks. I'm gonna show you about
My
2 or 3 minutes.
brothers, we were forged in victory. A victory that ended the Great War and brought forth the reign of mountain nymphs. Born from the depths of the underworld, rooted in the river of souls, our mountain emerged out of the chaos. As it grew, so too did the might of the Olympians. He created a world of peace, a world of prosperity, a world that lives in the shadow and safety of my mountain. A mountain that has come to be the absolute measure of strength and power.
Damn.
Now, on this day, that power is to be tested. The mortal Kratos seeks to destroy all that I have wrought. Brothers, put aside the petty grievances that have splintered us for so long. We will unite. We will stand together. And I will wipe out this plague. Olympus will prevail.
That's what I'm talking about. That shit was gangster as fuck. That was hollow.
Fighting on the damn moving god.
Zeus! Your son has returned. I bring the destruction of Olympus!
What? I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm finna do it well, baby. Whoa, shit! Yeah, baby. Hey, y'all, I'm speechless. Let me get my game on. Y'all done seen what I'm seeing. It's your bun out. Subscribe.
You ain't got a prayer, you owe me.